Hi, has it ever happened with you that you attend a training or join a course and learn something new and you're supercharged and inspired and motivated to do something in that direction? What happens after that? How long does that feeling last? Or maybe you do something and get appreciated for that and you feel very inspired and you feel like doing more in that direction. Do you take action? Do you do something more tangible towards that direction? Do you? If not, then watch this video to know the reasons why you don't take action and move from being inspired to actually taking action. Hi, I'm Sujata, Business Growth Hacker for Creative Professionals. Today, I'm going to reveal the 5 secrets to move oneself from being inspired to actually taking action. Step number 1 or point number 1. Taking action by handling the uncertainty. The most common reason of people not taking action is uncertainty. They might probably know what they want to do, but they don't have any clarity on how they would reach their goal. Uncertainty is nothing but the fear of the unknown and is possibly the most fundamental fear of human beings. When we are not certain of how we should proceed, we don't take action. At this point of time, what we can do is to keep the what in front of us and make small incremental progress every single day. Knowing the fact that you won't be able to see the entire path in front of you will help you a lot. You will always be able to see only the first few steps or the immediate few steps that are right in front of you. So you don't sweat about the rest of the path that you can't see. It will be revealed to you slowly and gradually as you make progress. Now that you know that you can't see 100% of the steps in front of you and you cannot be 100% certain, you have the choice to decide whether to take that first step or be happy with wherever you are. If you decide to take the first step, you have made progress. Step number 2. Taking action by checking your fear. Next step would be to overcome the fears. Most common fears at this stage are fears of failure, fear of being criticized, fear of putting oneself out there, fear of not being in control. Are you experiencing any of these fears right now? Maybe you don't realize it, but on a subconscious level, it could happen. That is what is keeping you from taking action. You see, us humans aren't that sophisticated. Our brains just want to keep us safe, and however, it is our job to move past it. By not taking action and choosing to remain where we are, we have this false feeling of being in control. The fact is that life keeps controlling us and we don't make the attempt to take control. Have you seen the movie The Croods? In that movie, the man of the family, that is the father, has this pseudo feeling that he is in control and he is protecting his family and keeping them alive by being huddled inside a cave whole day long with the entire family. It's so nicely portrayed in the movie that by doing so, they are merely surviving. They are not living their life. Yes, they do face a lot of challenges later on when they don't have an option but to step out of that cave. They face the world and they learn and evolve and become smarter and learn to live. It's an awesome movie. Totally love it and the lessons it teaches. So, eliminate the fear just like uncertainty and make the decision to face them head on and make that change for yourself. Point number 3. One needs to commit to it. The reason people stay stuck and fail to take an action is because they haven't actually committed to anything. They haven't committed because they don't have a strong emotional desire to tie them to it. They might say that they want to start a business or become a solopreneur or start their course, but they are actually happy with where they are and hence they don't commit. Sure, running a business sounds cool, but do I actually want to put in that work? Is what is probably running in their mind. At this stage, they are probably dipping their toes in, but they haven't committed to anything. Their marketing efforts are likely inconsistent. They aren't dedicating time to their business or the task at hand, and they generally like to watch the people do it more than they like to do it themselves. That's okay. I spent some time there as well, but the reality is I eventually got sick and tired of being sick and tired. I knew that if I wanted to have a career the way I truly wanted to have it, that I would have to commit to taking action. Point number 4. Find an accountability partner. Something else that would help you to move from being inspired to actually taking action is to get help. Sometimes this looks like a friend or a colleague that holds you accountable. Other times it could look like a mastermind group. Sometimes it might look like hiring a coach. As was the case with me, I had hired a coach, which in turn gave me the benefit of a mastermind group and an amazing accountability partner. So I'm really blessed. Point number 5. Put your money where your mouth is. I often joke that you will really know that you are actually serious about something when you actually put some money to make it happen. Honestly, that is the case. There's something about actually investing in your idea that forces you into taking action. Maybe it's because it's hard to watch money leave your bank account, so you want to get your money's worth. Or maybe it's because you want a return on your investment. Whatever the case may be, sometimes putting your money where your mouth is will be the best motivator when taking action. Now that you know these 5 secrets, will you take action or will you let life control you? Your call. I keep giving these tips and hacks on this channel and to help people live fully and attain financial freedom. If you like these tips and want to get more such tips in future, then do subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell icon. Do show it some love by liking and commenting below. If you are a creative person and if you want to get associated with like-minded people, then do join the mastermind group, that is the Facebook group, the link to which is in the description box below. Also, I keep having mastermind classes occasionally, and the details of that would be in the link below. If you are interested, do join me there. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.